What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're going to be doing some gameplay of The Night Before the Blizzard, the mode called Betrayal, and a different mode. And it's just random clips because sadly a lot of recording got lost in the process, so let's go. Alright guys, let's find a lobby to go to. Yeah, I forgot to mention I'm doing this with my friends, but yeah, let's find a lobby.
Get in the freaking circle, you idiots.
I'm there, dude.
Yeah, Holds, he's there. Okay, yeah, we're basically loading in. Let's go. Alright, guys, come on, let's go. Get in the mansion. We got this. By the way, where are the logs? Because all I know is that you need to put logs in the fire to stay alive. Oh, there they are. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe for more videos, and it also just helps out in general. So yeah, let's hope we got this.
Yo, we got this.
I'm just saying this game might be hard. Okay, rest in peace to Finn's lines, because basically they got lost in the depths of, I don't even know. Hopefully we can just assume what he's saying. I'm very sorry for that.
Attention. This is an
Yo, guys,
important message from the government
How do I sit
of
down?
Roblox.
How do I sit down? Okay, there we go. I figured it out. Haha, I got the whole couch myself.
How are you taking up the whole couch, you fatty?
Aye, bro, chill out. Anyways, these are the instructions, so yeah. Honestly, I think we got this game in the bag, because, like, low-key, I've played this game before. It's gonna be easy. I think I forgot to mention, in this game mode, one of us is the Winter Horn. Basically, if you guys are wondering what the Winter Horn is, the Winter Horn is basically something that can spawn in at any time, and you'll notify by screaming, and the only way for it to go away is to turn on your flashlight or something like that on the computer, and then boom, it goes away.
Dude, Holds, you're so good at this.
The Winter Horn is about to be revealed, so let's go. Oh shoot, I'm the Winter Horn. You guys might be cooked. But probably not, because, yeah.
Yeah, you're cooked, little bro. You're not getting past my flashes.
Yeah, you guys are right. Realistically, I have no chance. Like, bro, I'm done for. Oh yeah, I definitely know. By the way, you know, you have to collect money around as the Winter Horn to spawn in zombies, but alright. Now's my chance. Yeah, I got cooked. Oh no, lock the door. Yo, which one of you guys is the Winter Horn and spawned? I doubt it was you, Finn. Oh my god, is that a zombie? Well, of course you spawned a zombie on me. Oh my god, wait, it wasn't you. I feel so bad for you, Finn, my bad. Crap, the Winter Horn spawned. Jedi, don't you dare. Don't you dare come and get us. You're gonna get cooked, because, yeah, Holds is on flashlight duty.
Yeah.
By the way, if you guys see, like, a volume line go down, like, just now, that's because I have extreme problems, because, like, oh my god, I got jump scared. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Basically, when I record on my Xbox, I can't not send it to my editing app. What happens is I have to go to the Xbox app and screen record it, so then I can actually send it to the app. Get the gameplay, like, you know, easily. And just send it to my phone instead of having to screen record it. I don't know who the Winterhorn is now. I mean, I saw all of us just like seconds ago, so I think it's like deciding who it is. Yo, the fire's getting low. We need to like get some wood in there.
I know, I'm not an idiot.
Yeah, that's crazy being roasted by holds like that.
Yeah, I know that's crazy, Jedi.
Finn, can you go get wood?
Nah, I'm already on that job, Holds. I'll just do it for Finn.
Dude, the glaze is crazy.
Jedi, that is not glaze. I'm just really good at getting the wood, bro. Cause like, yeah, I'm fast. Wait, I just realized the fireplace isn't even up here. Ain't no idiot here. Yo, wait, where's Holds? I haven't seen him in a while. Chat, where is he? Holds, where are you? I'm gonna go upstairs, check for his body. Wow, it appears that you are dead. Nah, now I need help. No, hurry, I gotta get to the fire. Come on, come on. Alright, it's getting better now. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And all I gotta say is goodbye. All my friends say bye. And liking and subscribing just helps out the channel. Not begging, just saying. Have a good day, y'all.